What's up, guys? Let me introduce myself. My name is Cristina Salinas. I'm 19 years old and I really like studying languages and traveling. I also love videos to my YouTube channel about cooking, makeup, crafts, or dances. This is a very important video to me because I am participating in a workshop and the topic I have chosen is tourism. Here in Ecuador, we have a lot of tourism because it is very diverse, so let me introduce you to some places I have visited. I want to introduce you my guinea pigs, and here in Ecuador we have many. And tell me, do you have guinea pigs? Listen. Oh my god. Okay, here we have guinea pigs. They are very cute. We also have bunnies. I want to tell you that this guinea pig is pregnant. In fact, some guinea pigs have already given birth to their babies. I like when I go to see guinea pigs because they are scary and it's a bit funny. I have visited cities in my country, Ecuador. I have visited Quito, Baños, Chimborazo. You? I have traveled to Quito, to the middle of the world. Everything was very beautiful. I remember that as a child I also traveled to this city, but now everything is more modern. I could see holograms, elevators to facilitate going up to the top of the tower. I could also see ceramics features representing the culture and regions of Ecuador. I remember that there was a church and I went up to the top where the bell is and you could see everything from there. I really like visiting Quito. Before arriving in Quito, we passed through La Tacunga in the province of Cotopaxi. Here's a very beautiful lagoon. You can see bears, small boats, and it feels very windy. I really like this lagoon because when we go to Quito, my dad stops here to rest and buy some ice cream while we observe the landscape. There is also a lot of fog and it seemed like a fairy tale. In Ecuador, we have many tourist places and festivities. In the city of Ambato, we have the Festival of Flowers and Fruits in February, and in November, we have the parade on November 12th. Here, there are award bands in which students go out playing instruments in honor of the independence of Ambato. I have also visited Chimborazo. It is a very beautiful place, and I love its volcano. When I saw it for the first time, it didn't seem real because it was so beautiful that it looked like a photo from a fairy tale book. It was very cold and windy, but the landscape was magical. There were animals such as cows, dogs, donkeys, and horses. I like the old houses, some were made of sticks, dirt, and more. I was able to obscure a lot of vegetation and we went to some pools that had thermal waters, and the funny thing is that when we got into the pool it was hot, but when we go out the wind was made us cold, so we went back to the pool. I wanna tell you that my grandmother makes tortillas in the pot and cooks them over the fire with wood. These tortillas are very easy to make. They are made with milk or cinnamon water with sugar and flour. You mix everything and put them on the fire. They are delicious and unite the family. I ate a lot of tortillas when I was a child, and now that I am older, I help my grandmother to prepare them and I like it. And I also have a very funny anecdote that my grandmother told me and I want to share with you. My grandmother told me a very funny anecdote that she had when she was a child. She told me that when she was a child, she and her sister know how to go to the field, and one day my grandmother's sister got on a wild donkey and the donkey started jumping, already jump, and she was holding the donkey hard to avoid falling. At the end she fell. Luckily no one was hurt and now it's a very funny memory. But hey, don't try to get on a wild donkey! We live in a wonderful world full of culture, traditions, and diversity, so let's take care of it. I hope that you liked the presentation. I liked participating in the workshop, and I would like to learn new things, travel, know culture and languages, and improve myself every day. Know the world and cultures is an adventure that I would like to do. Thanks for watching my video. See you!